Nigeria. Me and me did Germany at the freedom of Chuba to me from a sorry bar. Oko, we are say at the Tankasian so I Facebook. You made a try to move Fred, oh, holy bar, which me up on our searching a Shama TV GH. Now we follow discussion as call search engine, no a Shama TV GH. Now over to me, I follow you made a bar. And then every so on Yami Ayabi. Corona and as a COVID-19 in Yami so that are so etiasi. Now and then you topic I ever discuss a marriage. Our dear Quamberson, I have for your one, and as our dear in Fopim granted, maybe me or married me or when I'm in Pakasapa or a married counselor. Samson, I was a church or your business or so far, me most of the Nene if you give up. And then before I introduce you, I told maybe just 30 seconds, maybe see her. Now I'm introducing me guest at the amount. Uncle Baby.
Tonight, love him as never before. Maybe you don't have any relationship with him, but tonight, in such an atmosphere, you cannot leave here without just connecting yourself to him tonight. So you can decide that, Lord, I give my life to you, I give my heart to you, I give my soul to you, I give my passion to you, I give my feelings to you, I give all that I do to you tonight. Just lift your voice and talk to him in a minute and say, Lord, I surrender my life, I surrender my will, I surrender.
All right, so we'll be up once again, everybody to media show. I saw the call send you media. And every my shirapa say menya onyamini pack say what Vietnam in chess and by discussion. What be when ni afa wale pa so. We when ni say na ya wale. Akwa be so na ya fa e wale. Fa bi be so na ya be gina ase na ya wale. E wo Bible ana say eye kwan ya wo fa so e wale bi ya ni nyere mo. Papa yi o ye married counselor, o ye apostle, o sanso a businessman. Yes. Apostle Daniel Alomenu or a founder at the Mountain of Tradition Church International. And that's what our Zenu container pastor or no. Mamma Papa Aquaba Elba, sorry, because I do this. Papa, Mamma, you. But you'll be able to get and he said, the Chelsea, and I see it. I mentioned the yes, I'm saying, I won't feel so bad. You are still looking good.
It's by grace. Life is a gift from God. Yes. And health also is a gift from God. That's why I'm not Jesus.
So there's a secret bit a woman say.
Oh, secret a woman say. When you pay yes, yes, you are the answer. You what Popo did not say, and so many are Yamao, and that's what you are wild life.
My God. And then I will say Yamao, and then a bear with gestures, Papa. You make you know a bear so interactive. All the say, maybe will be over to me the comments after a social media, WhatsApp, 0549564494, 0549564494, WhatsApp, which media back. Every year discuss me, can the amount. Sounds on Facebook, over to me about no searching a Shama TV DH. I saw the call saying, now we need apostle, name is really good. Comment in your photo, the working kind in Nadiano. And that topic I discussing a marriage, a dear warrior, and I come to your first warrior, Fapping Bass with the Awari, apostle will be in a grand topic. The apostle, my English through that way, young men, sir, yes, see our year, a dear warrior.
Okay. Now, sir, may you one man ever started in church. May you use our opportunity here with Papa, the soulful before the spiritual fathers, the chairman in a sorry, my dear, and the other food in a Shama Senu, Catamanso, Polonia, the Catamanso constituency, the Chimbia, Child, Pichia, Madame for Police for Romans because of single chrome said Sunday, me, sorry, I'm a police family. And I'm correct. Madame for police for Bessiani or Sunday. And you know what I come, Quadanta, almost actually. Who I would say, actually, with that cell, you are prison. And I'm a crack, possible to and then you will be our lesson. But it's a hotel catcher on who say, I'm correct. Police for our manager, for we are class with Madam Fufu. And not only that, it's not. Yes. Yet also, our year we kind of book of Hebrews chapter 30 verse 4 says, marriage is honorable in all and the bed undefiled, but whoremongers and adulterers God will judge. Wait till I say, our way a year Juma is a ministry. A ministry. A minister. You are a small scale minister, a home minister. And then this is my dear, a show on some. It is so be our Yama. And answer of the Waleno. As someone said, a young coupon, a dramatic seer. I was afraid him. That was a man of Adam. Upon every now or more very Adam for some time. The trade radio will say, and yes, a Berman could be trans. And you obey the wife for and not downfall. To marriage, you know, our wives and our money panel, they were downfall. Profukatami, you can say, it's your friend. Companion. So our wives and husbands, they are companion. So we don't marry somebody you think you are help and he's too low class. Anybody you marry is your equal, it's your friend, your class, your companion. That is a woman in our rear and man. So I just say, a free slow, Hebrews say a honorable, every young content. A change free young Adam. You know, a TV and put the money pension or the sharing to create out of television, camera, the Bema or manual. Who the best so say the machine of cotton and Mamma nature from Saka and say and I didn't pay to Mamma. Selling and put the hour, 2 money by 10 years or the woman son and nothing to create a woman and she or the so you cannot enter into marriage. Apostle Paul can say marriage is honorable, therefore no one, it is not to be entered discreetly, so easily or anyhow or
so the definition of marriage.
Yes, the charge of couples when we are going to bless the marriage, that are the charge. That marriage is a honorable thing, and yes, and number 2, the charge also for all eyewitness, cloud of eyewitness of the heavens. Name above New Year, I think also see whoremongers and adulterers, God will judge. Let's say, our level defend you. Why are the pastor? I think we judge. I think we don't our lady is so much. She said, "I'm so for so much." And do the Bible Mukra. Yawali to 2 years Christo, the second coming. And yes, I say Jesus is the bride, the church is the bride, and Jesus is the bridegroom. And yes, Baba Wali Asafo. And they say, our little church, they compare marriage duty or let's say responsibility, especially the responsibility of the man is compared to Christ's responsibility on the church. Our year a yamisum and say the power of us and now we the power of yamisum. Yes, a Martina, say no, the show so or brow the door. Papa, we are Butra, Bonia, we are changing now. Any months of our train to Modia Wabo, at Yamawa Bomina, ever back to that. I have to move everybody. It's our little a Jumana Midisha, Nipan, in 17, Nipan, who are contact. It's Obibia, Libiano. On your way, say, judgment game, or people now, I want contact. We are here only at the end. And you men are in here, Trimodi Panso, and 4 Panso. And now, come here, baby. I have poison, Kumu, now, baby. 1 year, the enemy year, whilst I move my year. Bema, watch a fear, Rina, at the Budano, and maybe one day. But our lady did a very honorable, a very discreet, a very serious thing, but then any buffalo simple. Yeah, and don't you know, I want to actually free and coupon, and your coupon, Oba, and my banner, say, Omontina, to say, no, Omia, and a companion, friendship. And you know, as I say, I want some dogs, and when you man should dogs, you know, who back over man, as I say, and when you answer, and I see a country, I think they all marriage counsel. But I never bebree etwakia etia marriage council onya wonso odori pa no ana wanya bema obewale opri ompese onya botre na asofo nsisi omuma mu awale no munyansa etinu bebree ashama adipa bebree ka wale se o ma de council and the binu wonso no council no omu try so mu be yebi nyame ni pa na council no e bia wa use good material because of binu mu che no omu marriage council no odi onu ni yiri omu experience omanya omu fi awale mu no e na odi tudwa e na odi kire asole ma de eye proper so woni wi ya anya yi anama money level of and if my mistake bi ma na ma be so far those things are not a standard to cancel someone's marriage but rather as a man of God there is a proper and qualified worldwide qualified marriage counsel material eye book bi e friend pre-marriage counsel hand book. Okay. Pre-marriage counseling handbook. Okay. Now, powerful. Yes. Book, so for they take several years. And thousands of pastors that they discover the areas, the weakness, and all the strengthening points before they put that marriage counsel as a world standard marriage book. And you know, as a sort of the other use book, no, that or they are couples, no, book, from they want to the end. Now, bro, one say, now you decide to cancel what? Say, who started our real life, no? Now, upon some ever say, in fact, and here is all your part. This is book really a powerful power. You may have to go payment in your bar. Yeah, go payment in a sense. Maybe to that church and all the man said, who said, you go out of Cabona, what you see, you see, I bet me up one. And I saw the man is here. Mammy trust me, dear. And our way at the Sukupa. Now, our little way of the Walia. You want 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions. Okay. You were mine and a mine recording a mine back here. I was but you go back a Walia. Namine dia wale edumuni pantino. Number 1, God takes pleasure or honor in marriage. Okay. So you cannot marry your wife without sending the marriage to God. Eti bebre kasati a wedi yemi nyama no enya no kore. Wedi no eye nipa subai obi aye kese obi aye say use base but listen to me. It is not a matter of how you do it or how expensive or how quality you do it. The reality of wedding or blessing is that the gift that God gives to a man, when you are going to enter, you have to send that gift to God to bless it for you. Number 1, we marry in the sight of God. And the church in a year so for they take that responsibility to send the marriage to the altar and let the Lord God bless your marriage as a couple. Number 2, we marriage in the family. So when you are about to so to meet your nature now a common busia and we remember your friend family personal and family inquiries. And the I'm introducing the man special. Now, if you know a bushia, I saw the one say, now, Officer Obana, see Boko, Nania, a bushia for an nature, Naninamu, and Cassette, and you need on one bushia, a mamma Mawali, as it's all to me also. We didn't find a friend engagement. We all look completely. Let's say, after the we didn't be and I won't dick up. Obia one or Bushia. Aye adiro would pushia foka but is so be a very fun because down susu and then is a problems never that you don't know to while on you know cow susu it is so bad to me a pop busha fonte not a fire a bushan fast while a corona office or mamma or mawala muchewa na ma seek advice na mo di aggression for na ma ko ye fine enu dey second dimension third dimension abai everybody the mind by na so I just record on my in the record of all the citizenship no omo amu ye couple wo yi abai be so wo so wo yi eti no so ba ba wale a so ko register wale no we district court assembly no na 21 days later no na wa marriage certificate say church no marriage certificate a wo be ji no yo but wo be register your registration certificate free court ho now the nature say wa wale wo yiri na wo je no aban ni ho bi aban agye atum say wo na wo ya asamasi kunu anayire but bebre fa ni say say wo be wale na wo bi oba kokota na wo kosaya wo be jana obe ji odu be kokota juja pade nyina obe no share wo be bera odoju ejo sabota yiti na aban register wale so I say wo say you say wo ye documentary na wa di klo who say you are married couple in the nation wo be tu paya wow ye wo juma bi pra employee wa say wo ye marriage couple la wo salary no ye di come ba wo ye single and never be o ye ma and you know that document you know qualify you say wo ye Ghanaian wo ye obi kunu and wo yiri ye wo yiri so I say say wo ni ma bebre arentina say no e man ba no omo pili ye voters adika omo pili ye Ghana card but so be walidia ye so be register wale no so no person on koye our registration no that is say na wa register for voters adika that is say na wa already wa banya botre akodi line aye Ghana card as a citizen no sa na wo be wale so yes so be no masi na ko district court no register wa wale ma no say no you are not single you are couple sana de possible sana de do say ese to ko wale o say o make sure so ko register bebre na so say na me ko wale me ko register na o be chire bi oba na be jimi japa de affinity ana akoso e chire sisi a chire yen say enye sa na te ete waso ko register be bi won ma ko pejuma kana o ye okunu bi a ko pejuma e betumi adobo o salary na to akoso so sa chire mu say e ye o trust stages a ye de wale e bi an say bi akokoko e bi so man in the sight of God bi so ro ko register department na ya register ni nyina ma nti pastor akoso e de ye bako sa chire ni nyina mo nti ba bi a wo hwe me bia no and an interesting topic o de ase afi no ba wale ana so wale da ni nyina akoso e be chire ni nyina mo na dwumede na wo hwe sisi ano e dwumeko bi adaroma omo no magboa me ansa na betumi akọ peja ye papa ana so akọfa ye papa dia ba studio ha na enye omo aka program ye mba wo ko ma me kamfo aye prime women party and alternative herbal medicine ade ma prime women party de bebre na ba na omo ye sisi ana se ye mama wondro a e ba boost immune system ye stronger yare bi enu abetumi anyway the internet say be yare bi akutia wa ohuna mu nyina na se wa bracket obi o ma moto de wa hwe ho na wanya pains bi e wo bo so ma prime wo party o mo se bra na ye ma wondro abetumi amasa ya ho nyina tumi furu mu akọ afa so yare abe he for COVID-19 o mo so abetumi amma wondro abetumi akọ ho mai se na be yare no virus no ka obi de no kra na nya dia virus no bi tumi enya nti bra prime wo party for wasi total healing total care na amotumi ngwa okon North Canadian omo near Adodo Hotel North Canadian near Adodo Hotel na so betumi afre doctor awa ko matrofo iso na doctor betumi 24/7 oyejuma 020 81 20